Honda recently submitted a patent application for the moniker CBR500R4, a move that shocked the automobile industry following the successful conclusion of ICMA 2024 and the publication of all the manufacturers' 2025 vehicles. This action suggests that the Japanese manufacturer intends to launch a new model that has the potential to upend the sport bike industry globally. It is anticipated that the CBR500R4 will replace the current CBR500R model, although with some notable modifications. The word "four" added to the name raises the possibility that Honda is working on a four-cylinder engine, which is renowned for having greater power and smoother performance characteristics than the two-cylinder engines that were previously in use. Honda might introduce new performance and fuel efficiency advances by switching to a four-cylinder engine. Because of this, the CBR500R4 could be a desirable choice for riders seeking a mix between comfort and speed. Many manufacturers are vying for the best goods in the fiercely competitive sport bike market right now. With the introduction of the CBR500R4, customers will have more appealing and varied options. This news will undoubtedly be welcomed by the Honda enthusiast community and motorsport aficionados. Both new and seasoned riders are anticipated to take notice of the CBR500R4. Many industry watchers and motorcycle aficionados have taken notice of the news surrounding the CBR500R4's introduction. Many people are interested in the features and specs that this model will provide. Discussions on automotive forums and social media indicate a strong desire to see how this motorcycle will look and function. Many people are curious as to when Honda will formally introduce the CBR500R4 to the public following the release of this patent list. Fans and potential purchasers may anticipate learning more about the features, design, and formal debut date in the meantime.